How to fix Localhost Refused to connect Visual Studio Code error. In order to fix this issue, what you want to do is temporarily disable your firewall. A firewall is a system security that monitors and filters your traffic, blocking potential threats. While it's an important tool, the detection protocols may run inaccurately sometimes. A firewall might incorrectly block safe web pages or incoming connections. Therefore, if you are currently developing a website and you need to access its locally hosted version, it's best to temporarily disable the firewalls while you are working on the site. That way, your test site won't be blocked. You also will be able to connect to your Visual Studio Code. In order to disable the firewall, navigate to System Preferences and then select Security and Privacy. Select the Firewall tab to see the complete firewall settings. Click the lock icon, then enter your username and password. You will see a message informing you that if you turn off the firewall, you will accept all incoming connections, including those that potentially carry unauthorized resources. So click on Turn Off Firewall button. Click the lock to prevent further changes on these settings without your permission. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Localhost Refused to connect Visual Studio Code error. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.